Yo, what's up? It's J2O, man. We out here. It's Monday, February 24th, and I'm looking at the charts right now for gold. Um, so this week, it seems like gold is about to start its downtrend, potentially. Always get to react to the market because the market, you get to go with the flow, see what happens. I'm on TradingView for a chart right now. Right now, I'm drawing my fibs zones and looking to get in on retracement for a potential sell. Cool. I'm looking to sell around, let me show you what area. Around the 61.8 retracement. So if it comes around this area over here, I'm potentially looking for sell positions, or it comes around the 50 range. So it might take a while because there's a 4-hour chart. So I'm trying to see what happens. It probably move during maybe London session. So I'll probably wait to see what happens from London session. And let's look at other charts right now. The GBP, JPY. So it dropped a lot today. Last week it was going for like an uptrend. And then when the market opened, it opened with a gap downwards. And then it started to drop Monday. So right now, some retracement up, but I'm looking to get in for sell positions. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. I already drew my fib zones. So for this example here, I'm planning to potentially get in around this quarter point, the 43.750 area for a potential sell. As you can see on this 4-hour chart, there's like a wick. So you can see where price struggled. So I like to look at wicks and see what's happening. Where areas of strong support, strong resistance, and area where the market is just playing around. So around this area, I notice that it struggled. So therefore, I'm probably look for sells here for this market structure. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. Let's see what's happening. We'll see what's happening. So for the 1-hour chart, you can see a little more movements, what's happening. I had this old previous trend line that clearly got broken. So that's how I knew, okay, it's a downtrend now to the downside. We retraced up here a little bit to this 618 area, then went down fast. So it's around the 50 area right now. So I'm looking for potential sales all around this area. So I'm looking for sales around this area, and I'll see what happens with the structure to know when to get in or what type of lot size. Because if you don't have the right lot size, you have a big lot size, you don't have a good entry, then you can be negatives or maybe even run into margin error depending on your account size. So I was trying to have good entries where I do big lot size, and if I don't have a great entry but I have the zone I want to buy or sell in, I decrease my lot size when I enter a trade. So that's that. Let's look at GBP USD. As you can see, it's a 1 hour chart, downtrend, roll back up, but still going back down. So I'll be looking for sales for this pair. If I go to the 4 hour, see a bigger picture. You can see so far that it's been dropping, rose and then been dropping. So I'll be looking to get in some sales if it hits this trend line or not, because this trend line hasn't been broken. Let's go to the daily chart. Let's see a bigger picture. Yeah, so we'll see what happens if it's going to test this trend line and go back down. It's good to draw trend lines because it gives you like an idea of a potential resistance area for the market to hit. So you kind of know, okay, if it hits this area, it could potentially retrace back down. So it's also a good indicator to get in for a trade. But for this week, man, so far I did well on gold. I caught a buy trade, was it yesterday, on gold? But today, it's dropping. So I'm trying to catch some sales, potentially, depending on the market structure. And then also US dirty. Ooh, US dirties can make you rich or can make you broke. It moves and it moves and it moves. So right now it's been dropping. It could be due to the events in the world, like the virus that's going on in China. And also when I trade, I like to look at the calendar, see what's happening around the world for that day. Today's Monday. Not too much. I like to look at the folders and see what type of events are happening for the next day. So Tuesday, around 10 a.m., you got the CB, consumer confidence stuff. Okay. And then you go to investing.com. Like look at the economic calendar. This is very important if you want to like kind of see the strength of certain news events that happens in the market. You can look at the bulls and it can tell you, okay, the euro, which happened today at 4 a.m., 3 bulls. So there should be like decent movement for that pair. We're trying to see what's happening tomorrow. And tomorrow, get the CB consumer confidence. 3 bulls, red folder. So expect some type of movement for the USD. But trying to see what's happening with gold. So bear with me. Gold. So yeah, so the corn, this virus, whatever to call it, is affecting the markets. Coronavirus. So those are good to see news articles, and it gives you kind of idea what's happening in the world. So using fundamental analysis, you can kind of like trade off that and use it towards the technical analysis, so you kind of know like how to like get in the trade, or if you want to swing the trade, you can base it off different factors. So I'm looking for sales today, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's it from my Monday analysis.